this, trenchers, right? Cable slammers, whatever you want to call it. I just found out we're selling these for $58. Are you kidding me? Hey guys, Chuck. I'm back in the lighting lab and I'm so excited that this, trenchers, right? Cable slammers, whatever you want to call it. I just found out we're selling these for $58. Are you kidding me? One piece construction. Listen, we finally fine-tuned this thing. We've had them made for special. We've been all over the whole country to get them and get the price down. $58, that's our sale price to you. It's one piece, all steel construction, got the rubber grips. Guys, and it's heavy duty. It's got the footrest. And if you sharpen this blade, it'll go through anything, I promise you. We've got a bunch of these out in the field. This model, tested, they love them. $58. Listen, if you're an install guy and you've got a couple crews, you need at least one for every crew. I promise you. Now, it comes with a little sharp edge. If you leave it alone, then you won't cut through the PVC as easily, but I would sharpen this baby up, and I'm the king of trenching. I can slice through a yard and nothing flat. I'm shocked at how inexpensive this is. So call today, call Teddy, Glenn, Bill, Shane, get one of these in your truck or trailer. $58. Thanks for your time.